Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how to force Jenkins to reload the configuration. I have logged into my Jenkins server. We will be able to reload this configuration by using the Jenkins console as well as using the Jenkins CLI. We will see both in this demo, right? But what do we mean by reload configuration? So what we are referring is, we have set of configuration files in Jenkins and we are going to change those configuration files and then we are going to reload, right? Which is not recommended, but in some situations maybe you might have to do that. We will see that how to do. So for that, first what we are going to do is we are going to create a job. So I am going to create a pipeline job. So I am going to call it as pipeline. Okay, click pipeline and then click OK. And here I am going to try the sample pipeline, that is a hello world, right? And here you could see it is going to echo hello world. Okay, I'm going to save this and then I'm just going to click build now. So the pipeline is built successfully and then this is the console output. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to modify the config.xml file which has this content from hello world to hello world 1. Okay, and then we are going to reload the configuration. I am running my Jenkins server in a Docker container and the container doesn't have any editors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the config.xml file to my system, modify it and copy it back and then reload. Okay, so I'm going to use the Docker copy. So Jenkins is my container name. Okay, Jenkins home / jobs then pipeline. Okay, and then here we have the config.xml file. I'm going to copy it here. Okay, we have successfully copied. Okay, so I'm going to open the config.xml file. Okay, and here you could see the pipeline information. Okay, so this what I'm going to do is I'm going to say hello world 1. Okay, I'm going to save this. Okay, so now we have updated the config.xml file. Let us copy it back to the container. Okay, so docker copy config.xml file. Okay, so we are going to copy it back to this pipeline. Okay, so we have successfully copied back. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to reload. Okay, so let's go to the console, go to the dashboard, manage Jenkins. Okay, and then here we have an option reload configuration from disk. Click. Okay, are you sure? Yes, it is getting reloaded. Okay, so now we are good. So what we will do is go to the pipeline, click build now. Okay, so let's see the build output. Okay, so here we could see it says hello world 1. Okay, so now we have seen how to modify the config.xml file and reload the configuration using the console. Okay, so now what we will do is again we will go and modify it, right? And this time, so what we are going to do is we are going to change it to 2 and we are going to reload the configuration using the Jenkins CLI. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm not going to again copy it back because just now we copied it. So what I'm going to do is I'll just change it to 2. Okay, so I'll change it to 2. I'll save this and then I'll just copy it back to the pipeline. Okay, this is done. Then what we are going to do is we are going to use the Jenkins CLI. Okay, so what we will do is it is the reload configuration command which we need to execute. Then we are going to say java -jar, this is Jenkins. Okay, and then we are going to say reload configuration. So now again let us go and check. Okay, so we have done the reload of the configuration. Okay, click build now. Okay, the build has got completed successfully. See, now we could see hello world 2. Okay, so in this demo we have seen how to modify the configuration files using an editor, and then how to reload the configuration using the Jenkins console as well as the Jenkins CLI. If you like this demo, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the demo.